Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Raider. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found yourself with a cracked screen on your MSI Raider, you're not alone. This issue can happen due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unfixed, it can lead to further damage or even render your device unusable. Today, we'll show you how to tackle this problem head-on. To perform this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD cover. First, let's ensure you have a safe working environment. Start by turning off your MSI Raider and disconnecting it from any power source. Using the suction cup, gently lift the corner of the screen. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could cause more damage. Once you've created a small gap, take the plastic spudger and carefully slide it around the edges to release the clips holding the screen in place. With the screen now loose, we need to locate the damaged LCD cover. You'll notice that it's connected by several screws and cables. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Now, gently disconnect any cables attached to the LCD cover. It's crucial to handle these with care to avoid damaging them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the cables detached, you can now lift the damaged LCD cover away from the device. Take your new LCD cover and align it with the device, ensuring all the cable connectors are in the correct position. Reconnect the cables carefully, making sure they click into place. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the new cover firmly. Once everything is in place, it's time to test your device. Before sealing it up completely, turn your MSI Raider back on to ensure the screen is functioning properly. If all is well, proceed to snap the screen back into place, ensuring it's securely fastened. Finally, power off your device once more and give it a thorough check for any loose components. To prevent a cracked screen in the future, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of your device, and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.